Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome 2024. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Chrome with the Google search right here. And then what we're going to do is just look for the three dots icon right here on the top right section of the screen. And then look for settings. Now, under settings, look towards the left side of the screen where we can find privacy and security. Now we're going to go ahead and click that and then just look for security over here. Now we're just going to scroll down and under advanced settings, we should be able to find this option right here, which says always use secure connections. Now this uses HTTPS whenever possible, and you get a warning before loading sites that don't support it. So usually this is what causes our browser to show that message saying that your connection is not private, allowing us or not allowing us to load certain websites and content. So what we're going to do is just toggle this off, and then this should fix the issue for us. Now we're just going to close this tab and we'll head back here. And what we can also do is just to make sure that the URL that we're searching says HTTP instead of HTTPS. So that should fix our problem with your connection is not private. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.